my YouTube friends, this is Flo. So, woo! My fucking Uggs, look. Let's see how big, look. Nice fresh powder. And by powder, I don't... Wow. So look at the sky. The sky is white, so that means that this is fucked up. Look at this shit. And my pumpkin latte chip. Okay. Look how nice fresh powder. It's like almost like you don't even want it to be even touched. You prefer that to be like this, nice. Not even touch the freaking fresh powder. Okay, my little shits. My goddamn husband, that little shits. Because he's like two people. He's a kid, but he's an adult. Fucking men. Okay. So, kids, till next time, keep smiling. Bye-bye. Bye-bye for now. I love each and every one of yous. And stay safe and warm.